Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to improve our code using each directive. Okay, so let me show you one example and let's see together. Okay, so you can see that I simply listed all the users and let me show you the code. Okay, so if I go to the controller, I simply write the query all and get all the users and simply go to the demo blade file, and there is, you can see that like I checked it, like there is empty, like there is a data in the into the users table or not, and then display the proper message, and if there is data then I simply display the ID, name, and email. That code is working perfectly fine, but we can, you need to improve yourself, so that way we can use the each directive. So Laravel introduce the each directive that helps much better way to organize your data. So let me show you one thing. Okay, so let me go and let me use the each directive. So let me go and let me show you each directive. First argument will be you need to pass your blade file path, so users dot row. Okay, so I just say rows, and in the second argument you need to pass the users object, and then third argument you just need to call like user, so you will get like user objects, so one by one that will call the row file. Okay, so that's it, and let me save it and let me go to the view file and let me create one folder here like users, hit enter, and inside the users I need to create the row. Okay, so new file and let me save it like row dot blad dot php. Okay, so now what I need to do, simply I just need to copy this code, and because we already defined the user, so I just paste it out. Okay, and let me remove this one. Okay, so that's don't confuse us. Okay, so you can see that, and now let me run it. Okay, yep, it's working perfectly. So we can use just it, and then you can see that user folder, there is a row. Okay, inside the row directly we can get the user key, like the user variable, and then you can use it. That's simple. Okay, now what happen if there is empty? For example, let me remove all the users. So let me call like user truncat. That means remove all the truncat and remove all the users. Okay, so let me go and hit refresh. Okay, so now it's working, that's not any error. But if you want to give any message, then what you have to do, so let me just remove this line here and let me go to the demo file, and here you need to define the fourth argument like users colon empty. Okay, so that means if there is no users inside the users objects, so then that empty file will be called. So let me create it, so empty dot blad dot php. Okay, inside that I'm going to add another row and td, and there will be a call span 3, and like there are no users. Okay, and let me run it. Yeah, you can see that there are no users. So it's most simpler and most like it's clean the code and you can make it organized properly. So this each attribute will help you. So thank you for watching and please subscribe us. Thank you so much for watching.